Bonjour, champions. Today is Tuesday, August 18th, 2020. Again, I'm Mr. Chambers, and I am ecstatic for our second day of fourth grade. It only gets easier from here. Our greeting today, bonjour, comes from the French language and means good morning. The French language has its origins in France, located in the continent of Europe. The country of France is known for the city of Paris, fantastic bakeries, and my personal favorite, the Tour de France, a famous bike race that happens every summer. For today's morning message, we're going to re-examine the quote from yesterday from Neil Gaiman. The one thing that you have that nobody else has is you, your voice, your mind, your story, and your vision. Okay? So thinking about Neil Gaiman's quote about us being us having ourselves, I want you to take a moment now, write down today's date, Tuesday, August 18th, 2020, and please rewrite the quote here in your journal. The best way we can commit something to our memory is by repeating it over and over again. So we'll spend a few days on each quote, including this one, and really dive deep into it for our morning meditations. Okay? So again, the quote is, the one thing that you have that nobody else has is you. Your voice, your mind, your story, and your vision. Thinking about that quote, our activity for today is for you to draw a picture of yourself and to label it with at least 3 things that make you, you. I'm going to put up an example of a picture that I drew of myself a few years ago when I had a little less hair on my top of my head. Okay? So in this image that you see here, you see that I have a picture of me drawn with a beard. I could curl my mustache because I wasn't hiding behind a mask when I was in my classroom. It's not full of complete sentences, but enough information for you to understand who Mr. Chambers is a little bit more. Okay, it talks about some of the jobs I've worked at. I've worked for Disney. I've worked for Target, Albertsons. I worked for another school called Paragon Science Academy, and I've been at Paideia now for 7 years doing a bunch of stuff. It talks a little bit about my degrees and about who I am. That is what I would like for you to do this morning. Draw a picture of yourself and label it with at least 3 things that make you, you. What makes you unique? Okay? And with that being said, we'll all log into Zoom again at 9 a.m. for our first session of the day, okay? So I'll see you all at 9. Please stay awesome, and I'll talk to you soon.